do it with everything you've got, and no matter what, never quit. And always, always keep getting after it.
I don't know the details of what it's like to be in Buds, but I know in Buds there is a bell that you ring yourself when you decide to quit, right?
If you want to quit, you ring that bell 3 times. That's what happens. Grown men whose dream it was to be a SEAL, that get there, that did all this physical training and all this preparation and signed that dotted line and committed to 6 years, and they show up there and they get to that training and they ring that bell.
What does it take to not ring the bell?
Don't quit. People always ask me, what should I concentrate on? What's your advice for me going to Buds? I'm like, don't quit. Don't quit. Like, train hard, don't quit. That's the rules. The only way to know what's in the core of a human being is to rip that thing apart and see what's in there. And until you rip it apart and see what's in there, you don't know.
In 2001, I nearly died from a heroin overdose. That's why I'm dedicating my very first Ironman race to help those similarly addicted by raising money for Addaction, one of the UK's leading mental health, drug, and alcohol charities. Thank you.